Hey guys, just another update of the Backhoe. The last few days I've been doing some welding. Yesterday I did welding and the day before I was welding also. So I got the main arm, or boom, basically completely welded. Still have a tiny, just a little strip about that long to do on here on the other side. But other than that, it's totally welded up. Well done there. That one I overlapped, so I had to grind it down a bit. But I welded on inside there. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but back behind there is all welded, both sides. I did a couple 2-inch tacks on the inside there. I think I did about 4 or 5 on each side. So, but it wasn't a whole lot of room to get a good bead in there. But anyway, I'm going to let's see what I got. I'll do a couple 3/8 bolts, probably one there, probably 3 or 4 in total, and then I'll probably might do a 1/2 inch right there, or another 3/8 in the middle, and then 2 up here. Trying to use as few as I can just so I don't lose a bunch of strength in the arm. But got the oh shoot, I can't remember the name, but anyway, the pipe here welded on both sides there, and then I welded a bit down on the back here. I welded completely welded up here. I did a couple 2-inch ones and then just filled them in. I screwed up on the spacing, so I just did a complete weld all the way from the bottom up to here. I finished welding this. So yeah, I'll just have it, and also after weeks of videos after videos of saying that I have to eventually get this tacked on and welded on. I finally did it today, just a couple minutes ago. Got it tacked in all the corners, bottom and on top. Just for now, just in case I have to move it when I get the swings, when I put the swing cylinder on, move the boom, right? So, but just have it up, put together now. Looks like I'm gonna have plenty of reach. Digging depth will be about 5.5, 6 feet, 6 or 7 feet when I change this. In the future I'll make it variable so I can move it from there to get more power, lifting power, and then I can move it down and get more depth but less lifting power. But anyway, let's see, I'm going to put the bucket on today. I'll do another little video clip of that once it's on. I cleaned all this up, just sanded all the rust off, just with the sanding wheel. But anyway, and cleaned this up. Left it like that because I had all the markings and stuff, measurements. So yeah. I don't know if I'll bolt these. I might just weld it up good. Bolting's a pain in the ass. I can't find any bolts and holes at an angle. I'm not sure how exactly that happened. I think it was I had the trailer off level, and I was using the level on my drill. So if the table you're drilling on isn't flat, so the hole won't be straight. But yeah, let's see if I have a pen around here. Nope, can't find one, I don't think. No, but anyway, I'll just show you. You can see there, I'm going to curve these out, or I might just cut them at an angle. Likely I'll just curve them up, just cut them off so it looks a bit cleaner and it's not all square and there isn't that sharp point right there. So yeah, it's coming along. So like I said before, I'm going to do some braces up from there. Now I'll probably do one from, like there's going to be a pair of these bars going at the bottom there, back to the front, or from the back here to the front. But sorry. But anyway, with a bar coming down at an angle down to there. Yeah, that's about it that I've done on the arm. Probably, maybe tomorrow I might drill the hole for the other bushing. That's where it's going to be marked. I did have this linkage cut out, but I'm going to leave a piece that the one with the groove cut out. You can see there, it says, I don't know what that says, but anyway. And I'm might recut these ones, and I'll do it a curve so it doesn't interfere with this. So I can, because I'm going to have 18 inches of stroke on the cylinder, so I can get plenty of travel with the bucket. But right now it's going in between the ear and the arm, which I don't like all that much, because eventually it's going to start hitting there or something like that. But anyway, I'm probably do a curved one. But so there's that wide because they're 2 inches wide, because it's a thinner material than I prefer. Like I'd probably use 1/2 inch or something like that. But 1/2 inch, no, I don't have a decent drill, but to drill a 1 inch hole through 1/2 inch material. So, but anyway, yeah, let's move on to the joysticks. I finally had time, well not time, but got motivated to make some new handles. Because when you're holding this, it's not very comfortable to have your hand straight up, especially to pull it out to dump once it's hooked up. And it's not that long, so there's not a whole lot of leverage to move that way. This way is okay, but so I got rid of those. Throw that in the scrap. I might use it for something, but anyway. I made these joystick handles. These are pretty. Same curvature as any excavator. Well, the ones that were in the yard at the time. The measurements were off a ZX75. But anyway, I got a nice curve. They may only be probably that long. They're this long, just for now, just so I have some room to play. I think there's like about 5 inches of travel to move it back and forth. So there is quite a fair amount of travel or hand movement you have to do. But these, I did change the seat. I moved the seat from being down here farther to up on top of here. Then the joysticks are easier to mount, so I can mount them down lower. Right now they're just sitting. I made this this jig just to mount them on, so I can make sure the angle of the bars are right, so I can measure from there to there, figure out that, and then I can get the angle off the top, so measure from there to there, and then that'll give you your angle of bar. This is just some